So finally today I'm back here in this forest, this beautiful forest, because now I'm doing some little traveling this time. So it's hard to get go in the forest. But today now I'm back here in this forest. So today what I'm going to do, I'm just trying to do get some any wildlife photograph and any birds, some maybe any snacks. I don't know, but I will try. So first, still I have to trek for a bit because I have to go to that palace I usually go, and I have to get out my camera from the bag. So if I see any kind of birds, I can get a photograph. So first, let's put out this camera from the bag and start traveling and start trekking from here. So now I'm ready, and now I have to go for little trekking. So and now I just see a very little lake. This I like the sound of these kind of lakes. So, but still I have to go little more. And this forest is very dense because there are very less people come here, and the way is very hard because it's very because of rain, you can see. But it's look very beautiful, dense forest and very silent, just the voice of birds and water. It's like heaven here. And the weather is today's weather is completely amazing because there's little because it's very sunny today, and sometimes it's cloudy, so it is very good. So if I get any photos, they will come very sharp. But it's very hard to get photos of any kind of birds here because they are very shy from humans. I can hear a lot of birds, but it's very hard to see them. And now I'm here on this beautiful landscape. You can see in the mountains. And I like this place very much, but still I have to done little more trekking, and after that I'll try to get some photos. But I can only try because it is not confirmed I can get some photos of wildlife, because it is very hard here. The animals here are very shy. I can hear a lot of birds, but if I try to go close to them, they will fly away, they will run away, so it's nothing. So I can just wait. So just try if I get some photos today. Going here, I just heard some sound of owls from there. So now I'm going there, and just from little far away I try to see them, and if I can see them, and if I can see them, I will definitely try to get some photograph, but without disturbing them. So now let's go there and try to get some photograph. I try to see them, but little far away, so I will not disturb them. If I can see them, so then I will try to get some photos, but without disturbing them. So now let's try if I can find them. I try to find them, but I can't find them because these birds are amazing. They have amazing camouflage and very silent, almost silent flying. So now I'm going on my way to that place, and I took some landscape photos from here. So I will show you again in the end. But now I have to continue my trekking to go there, and I have very little time, about 2 hours now, so I have to kick. So now let's go. So now I almost done my trekking, and in some time I will be there on their palace. So I am already very late, so I have to be hurry because I have only 1 hour, maybe just 1 hour now. So maybe I can't get some beautiful photographs, but I will try to get some few photographs and just try. So let's go there. So now finally I'm here, and this place is completely changed in some time, and this view. I love this place because it is very beautiful and very silent. Very few people come here, so I love it. And now I think that river is full of water. I can have from here. Let's see. Wow. Yes, it is full of water now. So when last time I'm come here, this lake is completely dry and now it's full of water. See, a lot of things change in very few days. So now I have to cross it, but it's easy, not but my shoes are completely wet. But now I have to find a place where I can sit and wait for any bird. Wow. I just see a crab with different head. Look at this. I is carrying him, so let's leave him. And now I'm in a little open area, so maybe I can sit here and wait for any bird. And the light is good here, so let's see if I can get some photos today from here. So I just see 3 egrets over there. So now I'm going there and try to get some photograph of them, but without scaring them and without disturbing them. So maybe I can get some photos. Let's see. It is a very long time with some egrets, but they are very shy here, so I have to be careful. So maybe then let's get some photos. So now I see them and I have to be careful because they are very shy. I just got one photo, but very blurry. You can see here. And try to get a little closer, but not so much, and because I don't want to disturb them. So let's try if I get some photos. And now I think they flew away because I can't see them here, so I don't know where they gone. And it's getting dark now because it's about to sunset here. Still I can see a lot of birds, but they are very far away and very hard to get any photograph. And I think it's again I have nothing, but today I get some photos of some landscapes and some trees. I don't know what, but I'm not sad because in wildlife photography it is very hard to get any photos of wildlife, and because now I'm in a full wildlife area and very less people come here, so the birds and the animals are very shy. So when I try to go near them, they will fly away and it's not that easy. So, and I think I have to learn more about this area so I can get photograph easily, some few photographs. And but I'm not sad because it's happened a lot of time with me. When I come in a forest and I don't have anything, I know I'm not having any photograph of any wildlife. It is not that easy. So now I have to go back because it is getting dark now and I'm in a full wildlife area. And there are some leopards here. I never see them, but the local people say there are some leopards here. So I have to be careful because I don't have any experience and I never see them before. I just photograph a hyena for a few seconds, but now I have to go back before dark. So now let's go there. So now let's go back to the home and I will come back and I will back here again and I will again try to get some photograph. And I can only try here and maybe next time I can get some photograph. But now I have to go back, and thanks for watching this video. I know in this video there is nothing, so maybe you like this video, and thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, and I will see you another video very soon. Goodbye.